Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Marvelino Aison Demarcio, number absent 20.
My name is Adi Putra Kurniawan, number absent 1. Hey Marvel, did you catch the last news about Angkasa eco-friendly home? I've been reading up on it, and I'm just blown away by his dedication.
Yes, I saw it. It's truly impressive. I've been following his project closely. The level of detail he's gone into make his home sustainable is incredible. What aspect of his project caught your attention the most?
It's tough to pick just one thing, but I am really fascinated by how he's managed to integrate so many different technologies. For example, his motion sensor lighting system is a brilliant way to conserve energy. The lights only turn on when someone is present, which eliminates unnecessary power consumption.
Absolutely. And it's not just about the lighting. His approach to heating and cooling is equally impressive. The masters he's installed learn from his habit and adjust the temperature accordingly. I read that he's significantly reduced his energy bills while maintaining a comfortable living environment.
Yes, and I love how he tackled the issue of energy-intensive appliances. Initially, he had to deal with some old appliances that weren't energy efficient. Instead of scrapping his entire plant, he did extensive research and upgrade to newer, more eco-friendly models that feature automatic shut-off functions.
That's a great example of problem solving. And it's not just about replacing appliances. He also incorporated and smart power strip and that cut off power to device when they not in use. That such as conversion approach to reducing energy consumption.
Exactly. And speaking of comprehensive, did you notice how he is using solar panels not just for electrically but also in combination with a battery storage system? This way, he stores excess energy for use during cloudy days or at night. It's an entire ecosystem of energy management.
It's remarkable how he's managed to create a self-sustained system. I read that he's also incorporated and rainwater collection system and use irrigation and other non-potable purpose. That another layer of sustainability that minimize water waste.
Absolutely, and his effort don't stop with just his home. He actively sharing his knowledge with the community. He hosts workshops and open house to educate others about sustainable practices and technologies he uses. It's inspiring to see someone so committed to spreading awareness.
That's fantastic. How he's turning his personal success into a community-wide movement. I think it's a great example of how one expression, action, and ripple out and inspire others. I'm really motivated and by his story.
Me too. I've been thinking about what change I can make in my own home. I'm starting with some easy steps like switching to LED bulbs and using smart plugs. But I'm also considering more significant change like upgrading my insulation and maybe installing solar panels in the future.
The sound like excellent starting point. I'm also looking at ways to improve my home energy efficiency. I'm thinking of starting with better insulation and selling any gaps or leaks to reduce heating and cooling costs. I've also been looking into render collection system like Angkasa.
Those are great ideas. Insulation is a big one. It's often overlooked but can make a huge difference in energy efficiency. And rainwater collection is a fantastic way to conserve water and reduce your utility bills.
Exactly. I've also been exploring options for reducing waste. For instance, setting up an composting system for kitchen scrap and yard waste. It's a small step, but it reduces the amount of waste going to the landfill and creates nutrient-rich compost for gardening.
Definitely, and it's also a fulfilling hobby. Plus, there's something rewarding about growing your own food. It ties into the broader theme of living more harmoniously with nature.
Absolutely. And that whatnot, I think it's important to remember that living sustainably is a journey, not a destination. It's about making continuous improvements and being mindful of our choice.
Well said. It's all about progress and persistence. Every small action contributes to a larger positive impact, and having discussion like this helps reinforce our commitment and inspire new ideas.
Totally agree. I'm really excited to start implementing this change. It's motivating to see how individual action can come together to make a bigger difference. Maybe we can start a community group and share tips and support each other in our sustainability effort.
That's a brilliant idea, Marvel. A community group could provide valuable resources and encouragement for everyone looking to adopt more sustainable practice. We can share experience, organize events, and even work on community projects.
I'd be happy to help organize that. Let's brainstorm ideas and see how we can get it off the ground. In the meantime, I start working on the change we discuss and keep you posted on my progress.
Sounds like a plan. I'm excited to see what we can accomplish together. And let's catch up soon to discuss our progress and any new ideas we come across.
Absolutely. Thanks for the great conversation, Adi. It's been really motivating and enlightening. Here's making positive impact and our environment one step at a time.
Anytime, Marvel. It's been fantastic discussing all these ideas with you. Let's stay in touch and continue supporting each other on this journey towards a more sustainable future.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.